Hi, first grade. You know, today's such a beautiful day that we're going to take our learning outside. And I've got my buddy Joey here.
Hi.
Ready to help us today with math. Today we're going to talk about something called composite shapes. Now, last week we talked a lot about shapes, right? Basic two-dimensional flat shapes that we see in the world around us. Things like squares, triangles, circles, rectangles, even trapezoids, for example. Well, today I'd like to share with you what composite shapes are. Composite shapes are shapes that are made by putting together or connecting different two-dimensional shapes. And I've got some examples here for you. You can see right here that I have a square right here, and right above it I've traced a triangle. And when I put the square and the triangle together like this, I have a new shape. It's called a composite shape. Does it remind you of anything?
Rocket-shaped house.
It's supposed to be a house, a really basic house, but you get the idea, right? Up above, I used a hexagon, and I think I'm going to point to it for you. A hexagon is a six-sided figure with six vertices, and I have a triangle right behind it. And when I connect them together, I tried to make a picture of something. Any guesses? It's supposed to be a fish. Yes, I was hoping you'd get that. And then finally at the bottom, I have another hexagon, a six-sided figure, and around that hexagon, I've placed a bunch of different triangles all around it. And put together, I was trying to make a
Star.
Like a star. A star, a sun. Maybe if it was colored, it might even look like a flower a little bit.
Sun is a star.
But you get the idea, I hope. A composite shape is a shape that you get when you connect together more than one shape, more than one flat shape. So today I have for you a special challenge. I'm hoping it will be kind of fun, actually, and Joey has acted it out for us. Joey, do you want to tell the kids what you did today?
I made, if you don't already know what Star Wars is, a Lego Star Wars guy. It's a person.
So what Joey did is he took some everyday shapes that we have around our house in the form of Legos, and he connected some of them together to make a composite shape. So hopefully you can see here that he has, he has a hexagon, or actually this is an octagon. It's got 8 sides and 8 vertices. And then he's got a bunch of little rectangles that he connected together to make the body for his person. He's got some long rectangles he used for the arms, longer rectangles that he used for the legs, and then he made some special details. He took little heads off of some of his characters. He decapitated them, I guess, and he made the details for you to see them right there.
Yoda,
Awesome.
Mace Windu, lightsaber blade, and another handle. That's Obi-Wan, R2-D2, Boba Fett, Commander, Luke Skywalker, Anakin, and Han Solo from Star Wars.
The idea is that all of his little shapes work together to make one big shape, one big picture. So think of composite shapes as making shape pictures, connecting shapes together to make different pictures. Well, my project for you today, or my challenge, is for you to look around your house and try to find some things that you could trace to make shapes. If Joey were to trace these shapes on a piece of paper, he'd have, again, an octagon and several different rectangles, and all those shapes work together to make a picture of a person. I'm going to invite for you to find some shapes around your house. They don't have to be Legos necessarily, and I'd like you to trace them. Well, make a picture out of them basically, and then trace them. And if you can name the shapes that you use to make your composite shape, label it. That would be wonderful. Okay, friends? Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have fun today. Happy building, exploring your shapes.
Bye.